can't play Fortnite because you can't remember your Epic Games account password? Don't worry. In this quick video, I'll guide you on how to reset your Epic Games account password. So let's get into it. First, open up this link in a browser of your choice. Once the page loads up, enter the email that is linked to your Epic Games account in this box. Then click on the Send Email button. Now Epic Games should send you an email. Look into your inbox, and if you don't see it there, check your spam folder. Open it up and click on the Reset Password button on this link. And a new page should load up. From this page, enter a strong password in both of these boxes. Then click on Reset Password button, and your password will be changed. Now you will be able to log into your account with the new password. So that's it. That's how you reset your Fortnite or Epic Games account password. If the video was useful to you, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. As always, thanks for watching.